Hi teacher, I love watching Your Story because it's a proven talent and shower constant imit famous singers. The hosts Diana Sanchez and Franco Cabrera are funny and help the constant feel comfortable. I enjoy seeing how the impersonator captured the signs um, the signs of the original singer and make the audience feel connect to them. Uh, mm, I enjoy watching this this show because it reminds me of my favorite singers. Uh, for example, Pedro Infante, um, Vicente Fernandez, and Michael Rexon, uh, and and uh, and general uh, Becky. um, I think this show can teach people about the importance of perseverance, yeah, and and passion for for what they they do. Thanks.